Okay, we're going to do example 3. As part of a settlement of lawsuits against tobacco company, the U.S. government requires cigarette manufacturers to pay for anti-smoking education. The smoking rate for 18 to 25 years old is dropping at a rate of 0.6% per year. And after 3 years, the smoking rate is 38.8%. If we model this equation by a linear line, what should we predict the smoking rate to be for the 18 to 25 years olds in 10 more years? So important pieces that they tell us already. I know my slope because it says dropping at a rate of 0.6 per year, dropping, so that's my rate of change, negative 0.6%. So I know this. After 3 years, if I put in 3 years, I should get a 38.8%. Okay? So this is the thing. I want to find out this. What should we predict the smoking rate amount to be in 18 to 25-year-olds to be in 10 more years? So 10 more years from the 3 years. So I need to add 10 onto my 3, which gives me 13. And here's what I really want to find is this value right there, which is that Y value. So let's go plug and chug and find a y-intercept, and then I can put an x to find that. So I can get a y-intercept by using this information right there. So y is equal to a negative 0.6 x plus b. So this is what I know. If I plug in 3 for my x value, I don't know my b, but I know that should be equal to that 38.8. Okay, negative 0.6 times 3 is a negative 1.8, and I add it to b, is equal to this, 38.8. So then I need to add 1.8 to both sides to solve for my b. And then I end up getting 40.6 is your value for b. b is equal to 40.6. So then in that equation, right there, I'm going to erase this. That b value is 40.6. So now I want to plug in 13 to figure out the rest of my stuff. So I'm going to go like this. Is equal to a negative 0.6. I want to plug in 13, and I need to add my y-intercept, which is 40.6. So when you times a negative 6 times 13, you get a value, which is 6 something, 7 something, I don't know. I'm plugging and chugging it right now. Negative 0.6 times 13 gives you a negative 7.8. That's a 7. And if you add that to 40.6, then you end up getting 32.8%. So in 10 more years, so in 10 more years, the smoking rate for 18 to 25-year-olds drops to 32.8%.